Please read the following. This is a work of fiction and is made for entertainment purposes. This may contain valid tones, so if you live in the U.S., do not play this on air. I am not responsible for any activations or panic caused by this project. And please enjoy.
The following is a request from the civil authorities of the local suburban areas. A creature of unknown type has broken free and destroyed the entirety of the John Arbuckle residence. Now it is heading to destroy other residences. You are advised to evacuate or seek shelter if you see the creature. Further information will be given soon. The following is a request from the civil authorities of the town area. The local area emergency mentioned previously has upgraded to a civil danger warning. And further information has been given. The creature's appearance is more of a large mutated feline. It is currently known to mutate constantly. Residents are to seek a safe place or evacuate the town. Be sure to get all of your belongings and needs while sheltering in place or evacuating. The following is a request from the civil authorities of various counties within your area. A feline creature that is large and constantly mutating is approaching to various counties within your area. The military has started to take action against this creature and will arrive soon to handle it. You are advised to seek a safe place or evacuate your area. Residents are to seek a safe place or evacuate the town. Be sure to get all of your belongings and needs while sheltering in place or evacuating. Contact your local officer or soldier for any safe routes to take while evacuating. The following is a request from participants of the White House. A few hours ago, a large creature has started terrorizing a suburban area, then roaming to towns and counties, causing danger to people within its path. The creature is a feline and is very large and constantly mutates over time. It has mutated enough to terrorize multiple towns and cities within its path and causing multiple casualties. It has approached many parts of the United States and military has tried to handle it. But it is confirmed to be immune to anything, causing the military to abort. If you see it and even at a distance away, then evacuate immediately. Take any available safe routes to take, and ensure that you have all your needs and belonging while evacuating.